Welcome to the NQ Break tutorial, a part of the NeQsis Indicator Suite for OmniTrader. Today we will be covering what NQ Break does and what it indicates. NQ Break is a composite breakout strength histogram designed to identify and quantify breakout momentum. It's designed to confirm when a breakout is genuine and supported by strength, rather than generate entry signals by itself. It blends volatility expansion, price thrust, volume, and Donchian channel confirmation, giving traders a single, weighted signal for both bullish and bearish breakouts. This makes it especially useful as a confirmation tool, validating setups that other indicators or chart patterns have already identified. That means NQ Break won't trigger trades on its own. It simply confirms when the breakout aligns with the overall trend. If we take a closer look at this section of the chart, you'll notice that price action on the left side is moving up and down without a clear direction. The candles are mixed, alternating between gains and pullbacks, which tells us the market is still undecided. Down below, the NQ Break histogram is showing red readings, indicating weakness and a lack of breakout momentum. This tells us there's no confirmation yet for a sustained move, so it's better to wait for conditions to align. As we move over to the right side of the chart, the story changes. When NQ Break readings climb into the +3 to +4 range, it signals a strong breakout phase. This is when the indicator confirms that the breakout is genuine and supported by strong momentum, a point where existing bullish setups gain confidence. Each bar of the histogram is a composite score derived from 5 internal signals: Bollinger Band Width Expansion, ATR-based bar thrust, volume surge, true range expansion, and a Donchian breakout or breakdown pulse. These components are combined and weighted according to trend direction. Each bar of the histogram is a composite score derived from 5 internal signals. These elements are blended and weighted according to trend direction, so only aligned high-conviction breakouts rise to the top. Together, these readings quantify confirmation strength, not entry triggers. Now that we've covered how NQ Break works, let's look at a new example and see how to actually read the signals in real time. On this chart, we can see a long period of sideways movement early in the year. The candles are choppy and the histogram stays flat, hovering around the zero line. This tells us there's no clear direction. The market is consolidating, and it's not an ideal time to trade aggressively. As we move toward mid-year, we start to see small green bars appearing. These early pulses above +1 show that buying pressure is beginning to build, but the breakout isn't confirmed yet. Conservative traders would wait for stronger confirmation. Later, as the histogram pushes into the +3 to +4 zone, NQ Break confirms that momentum is fully behind the move. Traders who already have a long bias or setup can use this as confirmation to stay with the trade or add with confidence. After that sustained run, the histogram begins to shrink and drop back toward +1, showing that momentum is fading. That's a cue to start managing profits, tightening stops, or waiting for a reset. If instead we saw red bars falling below 3, that would confirm strong bearish momentum, supporting any short side setups already in play. Reading NQ Break is all about context. Green strength above +3 confirms bullish follow-through, red strength below 3 confirms bearish continuation, and anything near 0 tells us to stay patient until the next breakout forms. That's how the NQ Break indicator works, measuring volatility, strength, and alignment to pinpoint true breakout opportunities. Remember, NQ Break doesn't tell you when to trade. It tells you when your trade idea has a real strength behind it. Used together with other tools in the NeQsis Indicator Suite, NQ Break helps you trade with confidence, only when momentum, volatility, and trend are all working in your favor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. And come back each week to see rest of the NeQsis Suite tutorials to see how each indicator fits into your trading plan.